What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of JDTV Co. And Jasper's here today. Jasper had a little surgery yesterday, and he really wanted to come up here, so let's see how long I last with him here. Okay, let's get right into it. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I wanted to do a quick video about the Mueller Coops air hammer.
The Vibro Impact?
Vibro Impact that have gone absolutely what, Nick?
Viral.
We sell them like crazy. I had one sitting here. Nick was just putting the sign on the door, and a customer from Rahway, New Jersey pulled up. Did he get his first name?
I did not.
Super nice guy. And he's like, I really want one of these. I said, well, take it. I was like, it's the last one we were going to do a video on it. He's like, you want to, I can wait or come back? I go, no, take it, dude. Well, I'd rather.
It's not that serious. Just take it. Get it out of here.
Yeah, I want to sell it and by doing a video, but guess what? I sold it without doing a video. So yes, how much are these?
$8.10.
$8.10 beer tool? Or
Yeah. Oh, that's with the bits.
$8.10 with 2 bits.
Yes.
Correct? Apparently I hurt some guy's feelings last week. He said I made a comment about, I'm not even going to say it, and I don't even remember saying it, but if I did, I totally meant it. All right, let's talk tools. So, you know what? We're going to talk about first. Okay. Guys, listen. Magnets, getting magnets out of China is impossible right now. But right before they closed down, I did have my new magnetic pads brought in. And if you look close, could you just zoom in on that a little bit, Nick? Magnets are not cheap. Look at it, you can see the little dimples. I put double the magnets that everybody else is putting in theirs. Double. Because I don't want to hear nothing about weakness. This thing has all the magnets. And the reason why it's in a bag, why is this in a bag, Nick? Do you know?
I think you're hiding something.
I'm hiding a little secret. Everybody makes one of these, but mine is going to be different. That's why it's in a bag. So you're going to wait for the big release of this. And I went with red because it stood out a little bit. Everybody else is black with some brightness here. This gets dirty. That's why it's black. And this is going to be standing out so you can see your tools better and not leave it under a car or on a car. So yes, stay tuned for my new release with this. And that's probably going to be what, Nick? A one and done deal?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys. The whole magnet thing is crazy. You honestly have no idea what's going on with magnets. The world didn't get shut down because of magnets. All right. Recently, Milwaukee has come out with some new extensions, 1/4 inch 3/8, and they did a really, really nice job with them. And if you look at them, they did, they didn't go traditional knurling. They went with some serrations here and here, which is really nice. And they also have the dual lock, so it'll wobble, press down, it locks. And the good thing about this, there's 2 good things about this. 3. Nick, how much is the full set of 3/8?
I gotta look. I don't know.
I think it's $49.
I think so.
And Koken makes a set also, but it's smaller. You have a set of Koken ones there?
I do.
Oh, and this is my pet peeve of Koken. Guys, shrink wrap. Shrink wrap, shrink wrap. This is how Koken ships their tools. They don't care. Now this is...
So the 3/8, just interrupt you real quick.
Good.
The 3/8 is $59.95, and the 1/4 is $49.95.
So this set right here is $59. Now, call me crazy. This is a beautiful set. Well, look. Do you see the difference in size? You're getting longer ones with the Milwaukee. Okay? Unfortunately, it's 4 pieces, and this is 6 pieces. But, I mean, do you really need the short ones? I say no. But that said, how much is this, Nick?
I think it's $105 we sell it for.
Double the price. And listen, the beauty of this is the Koken ones. What's that? Is that broken, Nick?
Yeah, that's broken.
We get a lot of these back.
Yes.
So I mean, Koken makes some great tools, but their extensions, in my eyes, have not been living up to the hype.
Yeah.
The Milwaukee ones, hey, they just came out. We'll see how they perform. But the good news with Milwaukee is there's a phone number on the back. You send them a picture, call them, send them a picture, and they send you a new one out within a day or 2. Koken has been recently backpedaling on their warranty. Yes. And it's been changing every couple of weeks. They change their warranty procedures. We're still standing behind them. Doesn't matter. But I would be skeptical of a company that keeps on changing their warranty policy when with the Milwaukee 1-800-SAWDUST, call them up and they'll send you a new one. Easy peasy. Multi-billion-dollar company. They're not going to screw you. Oh, here, in case it's not a 3/8 problem, it's a 3/8 quarters problem. It's just an extension problem. These things are trash. If you want Koken, we'll still sell it to you, but just be forewarned, it's not really living up to the hype. And you know, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to listen. I'm not a paid shill advertising for companies. I am Nick Morello from Jersey Discount Tool, and I'm here to give you guys some honest, hard-hitting advice, and sell some tools too. But I don't sell trash. But Milwaukee, best warranty in the business. Whether it's their impact tools, their chrome tools, or their cordless power tools, best warranty in the industry. Okay, enough of the Milwaukee fanfare. All right, I'm gonna put him down now. Okay, let's get back into it. Let's talk let's turn that frown upside down and talk positive about good tools. Lyall has been hitting it out of the park recently, and they came out with some disconnect pliers. They came out with 3 different versions, and we have sold them insanely. The first one was our bestseller, I think, right?
I think so.
I think the problem with the second generation, is that the TikTok tool dealers ripped it off, and everything. It was all over TikTok for like $5, so they kind of killed the market. TikTok is the worst. Let me tell you something. If you think TikTok is doing Lyall, Vim, Milwaukee any favors, they're not. They are killing the tool industry. They just it's insane.
Yeah, it's not cool.
It's not cool. All right. So and this is one of my favorite tools this year from Lyall. It just came out, and we found them. I seen them. I found them. I bought a lot of them, and I think it's going to be their next hot seller. Every mechanic puts one of these in his pocket, correct?
Yeah.
Or like the JD Tico mini pry bar with the magnet. So we sold a lot of these. It's a great tool. But at the end of the day, whether it's the straight one, the Schrader valve one, or the little mini pry bar one, we're all looking to do the same thing. Pry off clips and fasteners. So what Lyall did is they came out with this piece of genius engineering. They have a full-size upholstery tool, and what they did is they put it in a little machine and shrunk it down to a miniature. Full tang through, beat it with a hammer, pocket clip, little rubber bumper, and the V-groove puller that everybody wants. This thing is a literal work of art. And it kills me that I'm putting so much time and effort into selling this, and it's a small, low-hanging piece of fruit, we call it, Nick, right?
Yeah.
It sells for $17.95 we're selling it for.
Yes.
Free shipping. I mean, I'd rather sell you this for $500. I can,
584.10.
What is it?
584.10, not 500. I don't want to get in trouble.
$584.10. But wait, there's more. We're throwing in one of these famous JD Tico free coil kits. That's how you get around it, right, Nick?
Yeah.
But listen, $17.95. This thing is a work of art. Put it in your pocket. They put the clip facing out, and it's not gonna jab you either. So the geniuses at Lyall were thinking of everything. And let me tell you something. This is the grip. They came out with a grip because these are all screwdriver handles, okay? But when you're doing other tasks as far as prying or twisting, this is a 2-step handle. See, it's smaller down here, bigger up here. They designed this just for these applications. And it's 2-part, rubber and hard. I like it.
Yeah, it's
this
nice.
thing's a work of art.
That's nice.
Listen,
They did a nice job.
I gotta stop. I'm spending 20 minutes on a $17 item. $17.95. Put it in your pocket. It'll change your life. We love the Lyall boys. That's a family-owned business too. Yeah. I think it's 6 generations of Lyalls, and we know Eddie Lyall. He's a friend of ours. Good guy. Do you know what their first tool they ever came out with was?
Wasn't it something driven by a donkey?
Horse.
Or mule?
Horse-driven water well. Water well digging horsepower.
Horsepower.
Oh, horsepower. How many horsepower does that drill have? 1. His name is Rusty. the racehorse, his last stop for the glue factory was drilling the water well. That's what Lyall did. Lyall was built next to a racetrack, and they felt bad for the horses that were getting old. They were like, whoa, 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 before it goes to the glue factory, let's put them to work, last-ditch effort, and we'll make some money along the way. It worked.
I think that's half of that's
What?
made up.
This is all made up, Nick. This is nothing but a set. This is all fake. These boxes are all empty, and this is not even happening. This is a green screen. I'm sitting home in Florida in my pajamas. Anyway, speaking of Florida, our friends Vim. You like the Vim guys?
Yeah, I do.
I do. I like the Vim guys a lot. Listen, the whole tool industry is coming down to capturing lightning in a bottle. Okay, Lyall has done it a few times this year. Astro has done it a few times this year. I wanted to show you this new tool that came out from Astro, but unfortunately it's not here, so I'm not even going to talk about it until I have it here. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
Because let me tell you something. And listen, not that I love Astro or hate Astro. We don't have a great. I don't want to say great. We don't have any kind of relationship with them. We know them. We say hi, goodbye. Actually, we know them a little bit. But we have good relationships with like Vim, Lyall. But the Vim people have come out with some really, really interesting stuff this year, and this is one of my favorites. And this just came out, but I think the first generation was the. How about a brake job out there, Nick? This was the basically the same concept as this, right? The plug clips.
Yeah.
That was the first one.
I think the button clip was the first.
No, I think this one. Leave it in the comments below. Somebody from Vim. What was the first one of these you came out with?
I'm saying the button clip for the little evap lines.
Oh, you might be right. You know what?
And then the body clip, and then that one, and then the fuse puller, and then the relay puller.
The fuse
I think
puller.
they're all in order.
Fuel, clips, harness, fuse, relay. Guys, don't sleep on a relay thing. This is a work of art, genius. And listen, the fuse one, stop breaking your fingernails. Stop getting a little pocket pry bar out. This thing is insane. It's like listen, Vim, I love you guys. This one's on me. It's like having a set of bionic fingers. That's a great tagline, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nick, you went to school for marketing, didn't you?
Yeah.
Was that a good one?
That's pretty
It's
good.
like having a set of bionic fingers.
Easy, simple.
Easy, simple. Remember the bionic thing? Hey guys, it's Friday. I think we're gonna work half a day today. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we're gonna try to have a nice, easy day and easy weekend. So how much is this?
$119.95, free shipping.
Let's sell for $89.
Can't.
It's a joke. I was just kidding. They have MSRP, and we adhere by it. We love the Vin guys. Okay, $119.95 in stock. Send it. Got a shelf full of them. Okay.
We burned through that pile. It was a lot higher at the beginning of the week.
Yes, but listen to me. There's tools in the boxes, right? The only thing empty here is my heart, my soul. Okay. Last but not least, the mini ductor Venom HP. We sell tons of these, and they get a little crazy about the price. So what we do here at JDTco is we're going to throw in a free coil kit for you guys. And this is how much, Nick? $584.
$584.10.
$584.10. Don't forget that 10 cents. You forget the 10 cents, they'll kill us. Okay? Made in USA. This is a nice piece too. Oh, guys, I mentioned to you that what's fucking holding this thing on now? Oh, I got you. Okay, hang on. I remember my first time opening a box. Super sexy, nice angle, getting the tough spots, and that's all I give you. Oh, I'll give you a couple. You got a couple in there, but
Now you got more.
huh?
You got even more
With the
now.
JDTco kit, now you got them all. This is nice. All right, guys, in stock, send it, and that's all I got for you. But hey, guys, listen to me. Memorial Day, this is a good time to sit back, reflect about what this holiday means and stands for. It's not about buying a new couch for 10% off. Here at JDTco, we have never done a Memorial Day sale ever, have we, Nick?
No.
We don't do it. It's not that kind of day. It's not a happy Memorial Day. It's a Memorial Day. You're supposed to take it down a notch, spend time with your friends and family, and think about how good life is for you, for what reasons. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.